So I met this new friend. He wants some massage, neck massage. Come on, buddy. Come on, man. It's a small friend. He's also joined us in our beach fun. These guys are actually habituated with the tourists because tourists love dogs and patting and massaging dogs or dogs. Whenever they see some tourists, they just run behind them. So Ragini is having a moment of epiphany. The sky is also cinematic, amazing clouds. Every day, if you come on the beach, still every day will be different. This is summer, but it looks like monsoon. So whenever you wanna go out anywhere in the nature, you'll be treated differently by nature. And now we are being treated very well by the ocean, the clouds and sunlight. Very excited for the swim. The doggy is accompanying Ragini, and the funny part is I love cats and dogs a lot. She's kind of scared by them, but still she's okay with them. Like we had a pet, male cat at home, so we used to enjoy and play with the cat, and Ragini used to take care of the cat. And three of us are going on the beach for a swim. Guys, this is the summer evening. Could you imagine? Is this a summer or monsoon? And there's a Brahmini kite in the sky, high above us. And look at the sun that's going to set. And look here, my lady Ragini. She's preoccupied with something. So this is my summer holiday, and I am dying to take a dip into the ocean. Don't know if it is possible because it's high tide, but dramatic sky, the trees, and I want to join you to visit a secret backwater spot. Come on. This is summer evening. So here's our stuff. Ragini just changed. It's so nice, quiet and simple on the beach. Just like it's a private beach only for us. So we basically find out places where there's hardly anyone, so then we can relax and enjoy the nature fully. There's a boat going on. That's a motor boat. These guys looks like tourists, but I'm not sure. They might be fishermen, but they're in the backwater, so they might be tourists also.